hollow body, reverse crunch. You can use your arms down at your side. Your top can stay flat. Put your legs straight up in the air. You're going to lower them down as far as you can without feeling your back come into it. Then bend your knees and try to crunch your knees up into your chest. Straighten the leg. 2, straight leg. Bring those knees in. Straighten the leg to start. Back to straight. Now, if you start to feel your back coming into the movement, then don't lower your legs as low. So maybe you go like right here. And then bring those knees in and crunch. Straight, as low as you can. Knees in and crunch.